Hey guys, Thomas here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2019 21 H20 Sport outboard. This is a 21-foot Chaparral outboard edition. Nice boat, guys. Comes with the trailer, blue hull. Walk down the side of the boat here. Comes with a tandem axle trailer. This is an aluminum trailer as well. Guys, this boat is powered with the Yamaha 150. It's right at 69 hours with the stainless steel prop. Plenty of room on the swim deck. Nice boarding ladder. Covered with sea deck. Again, stainless steel prop. Walking aboard the boat, guys. You'll see it does have a transom remote. Both these seats pop up, guys, and they also prop up for loungers, and they also give you a nice transom walk through so you don't have to step on your cushions. Battery is housed here. Battery switch. Got storage here. More storage. Of course, this whole engine compartment bay, if it had the inboard lifts up, for plenty of storage there as well. Does have the sports tower with bimini top. Guys, looking forward at the helm. You'll see this boat is equipped with 68.9 hours. Dual Yamaha gauges, depth finder located in the center. Steering wheel. C-Star steering. Side-by-side captain's chairs with bolsters. Plenty of in-the-floor storage as well. Walking forward, you'll see it has an air door. Main stereo unit located right here. Plenty of storage underneath the side console and underneath the helm. Looking at the bow, it does have a nice filler cushion. Plenty of room to lounge. Speakers, anchor locker, cleats, grab rail. Guys, beautiful boat. If you've got any questions, please give us a call. 864-350-0145. Again, I'm Thomas at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Thank you for taking a look.